Hi, my name is Karen, and I was partnered with Alea and Sarah. And for our presentation, we covered the development of the nervous system. As an introduction to the nervous system, it is important to note that the nervous system is the most essential system in a human body. It controls the movement and speech of the body. It is the site where thinking, analysis, and memory take place. The nervous system consists of the central nervous system, CNS, and peripheral nervous system, PNS. CNS is composed of the brain and spinal cord, while PNS is mostly made up of nerves. Development of the system is vital to social, cognitive, and motor development. The development of the nervous system. Most of the neurological development takes place early on in one's life. This involvement of genes and extrinsic factors direct their development. Neurons are cells that are responsible for receiving sensory input from the outside, sending motor commands to muscles and organs, and relaying electrical signals. These neurons can multiply very rapidly during the prenatal stage, with as many as 200 billion being formed. They develop the brainstem, cerebellum, cerebral cortex, and other parts of the brain. More about the development of the central nervous system. So at birth, the lower brain is more advanced than higher structures. This includes the reflexes, reaction, respiration, and food intake. Myelin carries messages back and forth between the brain and the rest of the body. Myelin is important in movements requiring fast conduction of impulses. The breakdown of myelin, called myelin sheath, may result in tremor loss, loss of coordination, and possible paralysis. By age 4, the brain weighs 80% of the adult weight. This growth reflects the rapid increase in the size of these neurons. However, there are factors that can stunt the growth of these neurons, such as poor nutrition, alcohol or nicotine consumed by the mother during pregnancy, injury to the brain, or other negative early life experiences. The nervous system in adulthood experiences a loss of neurons, thinning of dendrite branches, number of synapses changing, myelin changing, and neurotransmitters changing. Nervous system in adulthood is also affected through a reduced response time, movement and recreational activities, daily activities, cognitive tasks, and other processing times. Relevance of the nervous system to physical education. The nervous system enables us to control and coordinate all of the body's movements and activities. It enables people to perform movements that appear skillful. It also enables people to perform high precision movements repeatedly. So as an example of this relevance of the central nervous system to physical education, there is research resulting in an advancement in the understanding of exercise on a number of areas within the nervous system, which shows the impact of exercise on this functioning. Exercise increases the production of new neurons in the hippocampus. Exercise also increases the production of glial cells, which support the brain's support network. All of these cells have protective effects, support the function of neurons, and they are produced all throughout the brain. Relevance of the nervous system to exercise science and health promotion. So overall, exercise helps to produce and protect the brain cells for everyone, as covered in the last slide. This could impact those working with adolescents and children. This mostly impacts working with elementary level students, such as in physical education, but it could also impact working with senior adults and helping them to stay active for benefits. An example of this includes senior adults working with trainers to maintain their strength as they get older. Leg exercise is a common practice for this group. This leg exercise is critical to brain and nervous system health. Research has shown that this neurological health depends on signals sent by the body's large leg muscles to the brain as much as it does on signals from the brain to the muscles. Knowledge of nervous system health is crucial for these trainers to be aware of to maintain these benefits. Here's also a video of a TED Talk explaining how exercise benefits your brain in even more ways. In summary of the central nervous system, most of your neurological development takes place early on in your life. Your neural function can affect how you move physically in many ways. So, working in an exercise and physically active profession, it is important to learn about how your brain affects your physical movements. And there are our sources. Thank you for listening.